Hey everyone, welcome back to PooLin's channel. Halloween's right around the corner, and if your custom's missing a little magic touch, I got you covered. Today I'm turning my plain witch hat and cape into something totally one of a kind using embroidery. Here's what I'm using today. My PooLin embroidery machines, a few colors of thread, TPU hot melt film, tearaway stabilizer, water-soluble stabilizer, and my hat and cape. Basically everything a stylish witch needs. I picked these cute little designs, spooky but adorable. And with this combination embroidery feature, I can stitch several patches at once. Super easy. The touch screen feels so smooth too, just like using a phone. Look at that stitch work, clean, even, and just perfect. I love how smooth this machine runs. Your spooky little patch is ready. Now we are gonna use a little magic trick. Dun-dun! This is right here, TPU double-sided hot melt film. With this, we can easily stitch our embroidered patches onto the witch hat for that perfect Halloween touch. First, place your patch on it. And press it with an iron for a few seconds. Then trim off the extra TPU film around the edge. Next, remove the back layer. Place your patch where you want it, and press again for a few seconds. And look, it's perfectly attached to the hat. Now, let's repeat the same steps to finish the rest of the directions. You can't be a witch without a magic cape. Let's add some spooky sparkle with PooLin With by the mirror embroidery machine. For the cape, I wanted something more dramatic, so I'm stitching a big design right on the back. The cape fabric is pretty soft, so I'm using 2 layers of tearaway stabilizer on the back. Let's hoop it. Place your fabric with the stabilizer and keep the surface flat. Don't stretch it too much. Next, I'm attaching the hoop to the machine, picking out my design. And doing a quick trace to check the placement. Then I will add a layer of water-soluble stabilizer on top. And we are ready to start stitching. The multi-needle machine makes this part easy. Each color switches automatically, so you can just sit back and enjoy the magic. Once the stitching is done, peel off the topping film and remove the stabilizer from the back. Dun 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 dun! Okay, tell me, do you think this look is awesome? I love how the embroidery adds texture and sparkle. It's like wearable magic. We colors and store-bought customs. Now it's your turn. Make your own Halloween embroidery with PooLin and show me your spooky creations. Don't forget to tag us. I can't wait to see your magic.